How are you?
I am fantastic, and you?
I am also fantastic.
Can I have your good name?
My name is Ravi Shankar Soni from Bhavan Bihari, MP. And your name?
My name is Harsisra from Jamni, District Sadol, MP. Are you from Kapon?
Yes, I am from Bhavan.
By the way, Kapon is very fantastic place.
Okay. By the way, Jamni is very wonderful place
How?
because this is placed between around water and hills.
Yes. What are you doing here?
I am here learning computer class and speaking. कोई बात नहीं, पहले हम भी ऐसे इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाते थे, लेकिन हम भी जीएससीटी की अच्छी ट्रेनिंग के कारण ऐसे इंग्लिश बोल पा रहे हैं।
Listen, guys. This is a best place to learn spoken class and computer technology. Like basic coding, advanced coding, basic computer, hacking class, CPCP preparing, Python programming, website development, PG, DCA, and DCA. I want to learn all things in one.